Posebno nam je zadovoljstvo pozdraviti vas na današnjem događaju značajnom za našu akademsku i širu društvenu zajednicu. Sada će nam Ekrem Nurović kroz live demo demonstrirati kako platforma Dekama zaista funkcioniše i koje mogućnosti nudi.
So when we started with this project, we had three main things that we wanted to focus on. First one was to have beautifully designed and easy to use websites. We wanted to have great content. And we wanted to have a good video production. Our main goal was to create quality education on one place, and that place is called Dekamas.